In this question, we are given the set A. So A is the set containing 5 and set containing 5. So there are 2 elements in the set A. So you are asked to find P of A, that is the power set of A. So we know what the power set is. Power set is a set containing all the possible subsets. And how many elements are present in the power set? There are 2 to the power n elements. So in this case, the number of elements in A contains 1 element, 2 elements. So n of A is equal to 2. So what is the number of elements in P of A? 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4. So there should be 4 elements in the power set. So let us write the power set. So power set of A is equal to, so what are the subsets? Null set is a subset of every set. Phi is a subset of every set. And next, the subsets containing single element. So there are 2 elements in this. So set containing phi, set containing phi, and set containing set phi. So these are single element subsets. And what are the 2 element subsets? That is the total set. Every set is a subset of itself. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements. So the answer is the power set of A is set containing phi, set phi, set of set phi and A. Option C is the right answer.